It was Pierce's sister, the train, broken down again. My pair, the medicine, it had not, didn't work here. Well, in fact, she was looking even more gloomy, like anything. Hello, they all said. Hello, said the train, weeping. Come, train, what's the matter, Cal? It'll again, said the train. All upset. The medicine of yours didn't work. Well, well, I'll do something with you. I'm sending you to my special place, which is found for sick engines. You'll be glad to get well. Are you looking cross like that? Cross because you're not replying too nice, sir. The train's ever angry with Pierce because she's not to have some nice that looks ever loud. What is wrong with her temper? It doesn't look ever fair. Some trains like me should not be distracted from loud music when they're ill. Well, we'll try our best not to get loud enough for you to be getting sick of it. Well, likely still part of your plan, but I'm just having a break. But I'm just feeling all over sad, kiss me for carrying on like this, and just ever sad and ever upset. It doesn't mean it's not something I just ever badly some instance. Well, let me take you to my working place. I can tell you, if you like. It's not me that turning me look ever grand. The Pierce told his train. It told her out of the swamp and told her all the way to Silver Fern Place. But sometimes it's better to her away. She was ever, so don't come to help. Two engines ever strong, so they turn Percy's sister all the way to Markable Cave. Percy and Duck towed a train out of the swamps and towed her out to the mainland all the way to Markable Cave. Just be gentle. They didn't find turbing the train very hard. They found it very simple. Yes, they just found it. Just very pulling up. Just gently. At last, they towed her all the way to Markable Cave. Taking her to Markable Cave didn't last very long. She rather led the journey to some place, and there's her brother and his friend are taking her to service dinner. Now, they did some very important bit for her. For her, is that they're putting a blanket on her again. She can look just very warm from whatever blast of the press. They put the shit on her and began to work. They looked in her boiler, examined her pistons, checked her injector pump, looked in a tank, tested a regulator, and she went forwards and backwards. All was working just very fine, but then suddenly they found something which is making one ever small problem. This was something not ever right. Sorry, said the train. The train just spitted something. It looks ever disgusting. It ever yucker. Oh, it's your problem. Must have got stuck in your boiler. Anyway, you're better now. Thank you very much, said the train. An old engine has looked after me, you know. And it's looking after me, you know. And so, the great day ended. So, Percy and Duck took the train home, and they went to sleep. As for the train, she was ever proud to be looking all ever better. She was now dreaming of the time when she used to be in her ever favourite spot. One ever special place is ever Peter Garden. And let's end this big story. Told ever her